Hi all, our idea is reimagining customer experience with AI-powered seamless shopping and selling. So imagine yourself walking into a store where every interaction feels intuitive, every product recommendation is perfectly tailored according to your needs, and sustainability is seamlessly integrated into your shopping experience. Today I'm excited to present our revolutionary AI retail platform designed especially for Walmart's next generation customer experience. So considering the general situation, the problems which are faced by the customer and the seller are listed here. Coming to the customer, complex manual shopping flows across apps, limited guidance on productive or eco-friendly purchases, no intuitive fraud warning or real-time help. Coming to seller side, lack of smart insights on pricing, branding and logistics, no AI first content generation, apps impact tracing. So our idea which eradicates all the problems faced by both the customer as well as the seller. So here we present 5 core features of our idea: natural language input, LLM powered agent, fraud detection module, carbon productivity and suggestion, or VR product experience. For sellers specifically, we offer predictive analytics for return, reverse logistic model, carbon footprint model, analytics and strategy model, brand creation model, and voice or sign command. For example, a seller can say create Diwali campaign for top selling eco products, and our agent will completely do it from top to bottom and give it to him, which automates the task. Coming to the solution architecture, our solution uses 6-layer architecture that creates a seamless flow from user input to intelligent actions. Layer 1, which is input layer, captures user interactions through voice using web, speech API, text through React with NLP, and sign language via media pipe and CNN, making our platform truly accessible. Layer 2, processing layer, our Gemini 2.5 Flash LLM interprets user intent and understands complex requests. Layer 3, model execution layer, specialized AI models execute specific tasks like GBM for fraud detection, linear optimization for logistics, our EcoView engine for carbon scoring, and generative models for automated branding. Layer for orchestration, this is where our magic happens. Our customer MAN and MCP protocol coordinate multiple AI models simultaneously, ensuring seamless tasks. Layer 5, interaction layer, results are delivered through our React web app, WebXR for AR experiences, and Unity powered VR store environments. Layer 6, gamification layer, every interaction is enhanced with challenges, points and leaderboards, making both shopping and selling genuinely engaging. So coming to our solution architecture, this solution architecture is similar to a regular B2B e-commerce architecture, but along with it we have another parallel processing. While users shop, our system simultaneously runs agentic AI chatbot for real-time assistance, carbon footprint score, which calculates footprint score for sustainability of a product, order management with fraud detection and integration, and inventory updates with logistic and optimization. Coming to our agent architecture, here we have voice-enabled frontend, which interacts with the user through natural voice commands processed by voice-enabled UI. Next, Nova 2 STT, which converts speech to text, which is of multiple language support. Next, agentic AI using Crew AI, the central intelligence hub that coordinates all agent activities. Next, intent agent, which analyzes user requests and determines the appropriate action path. Next, specialized agent network consists of data search agent, order status agent, NLP agent. Next, data integration. Next, coordination agent, which orchestrates all agents working together for a unified specific response. Next, Nova 2 TTS, which is text to speech, converts the responses back to natural voice output form. Our tech stack includes, for front end we use React.js, WebXR and Unity. Backend we have used Fast API, Node.js and Express.js. For AML models, LLM, Gemini 2.5 Flash, Light GBM for fraud detection, GenAI for branding and automation and content generation, CNN and media pipe for sign language, MongoDB for unstructured database, and Redis for cache and connection pooling. Infrastructure we have used Docker, Firebase hosting and REST API. So our project is different from current existing B2B e-commerce websites. For example, we have used LLM driven smart assistant as a feature of agent instead of basic chatbots. We have used behavioral AI, which is light GBM instead of manual flags in fraud detection. Also we have used real-time carbon awareness suggestions unified with AI systems with AR and VR integration. In order to make this idea more exciting and innovative for our customers and sellers, we have implemented certain points where buyers earn points for carbon aware and productive purchases, sellers unlock badges for analytic optimization, campaign success, VR stores layout previews, AR try-ons for furniture or apparel, daily quest to discover and promote sustainable goods. Coming to scalability plan, we have used microservice models like Docker for scaling each component independently, central LLM APIs with load balancing and optimal performance, regional customization for language branding and local market needs, AR or VR plug play modules across web and mobile platforms. So at last, I want to conclude. Let the future of retail be intuitive, immersive and intelligent, powered by AI that understands you, well suits you and benefits you.
Hello everybody. We are from Team Keche Hitters. As my friend already explained about our prototype, about how it works, I am here to show the basic implementation of one of our feature, the AI voice shopping assistant. It is a conversational chatbot powered by agentic AI. Instead of typing keywords and applying filters, users simply speak. Like for suppose I need red dress for upcoming festival, or they can ask, show me few ethnic wears for my friend's party, and the agent gives the accurate results. So when a user speaks into the mic, the audio is first transcribed into text using Nova 2 DeepGram model. Then the text is then sent to the multi-agent system built by Crew AI. Each agent has a specific job. One agent identifies the user's intent, like whether they are searching, filtering, or checking for order status. Then another agent performs a product search based on keywords or descriptions. Then comes the last agent, the recommendation agent suggests few suitable items based on the context. Let me show you how this works in practice. So say, so actually the audio should be coming from the front end. Here's a basic simulation of how this works. And here's the audio.
I need formals for my interview next week.
As we can hear in the audio, it is given like I need formals for my interview in the next week. So we are processing the audio file. The path of audio file is gajanan.mp3. Now the process started. As we can see, the crew execution is started, and the transcribed audio is I need formals for my interview next week, which is correct. Here comes the user intent analysis. What it does is it takes the user prompt and then categorizes into the objects which are present in our database schema. So we have few keys in our database schema, so it transcribes and understands this query belongs to this key. Here's our database schema, and here's the category. Then comes another agent, and all this agent communicates themselves and gives a perfect output. As we can see, we didn't specify any gender here, so our agent becomes generic and gives one for women and one for men. This is the output. Yeah, thank you. Okay.
So hello everyone, I am going to demonstrate the e-commerce website prototype for our project. So this is the login page which I am logging in with my credentials. After logging in, we will be redirected to our collections page where we can browse various different kind of products and we will be integrating the agentic AI chatbot by which the customer user experience will be enhanced. And this is the sort which we can sort by the price low to high or high to low based on our need. And this is the orders page in which we will be seeing the orders which have been placed by the user. Suppose I want to buy this jacket and the size would be L. Add to cart. As the item is added to cart, we can go to the cart and proceed to checkout by filling all these details and our mail and our mobile number, and the payment method I wish to choose cash on delivery and place order. So we can see the orders page has been updated. So this is all about the user side, and let's come to the admin side. So this is the admin side. The admin can add the product. Suppose I am adding this shirt and the product name is shirt and the description is latest model and the category is the men's category. Under the subcategory it is top wear, and the price, suppose I wish to choose it as only $100, and the count of the inventory, the item is 10, and the sizes available is, suppose I am selecting S, M and double XL, and the add product. It will take a few 3-4 seconds and the product gets added to the list. As we can see, the product has added. We can go to this page and price low to high. After refreshing, we will see the product has been added. Okay, so this is the adding the product, and this is the listing the product. Suppose I want to remove this product. This product will be removed from the DB. Suppose I want to change the name or the description or the price or the inventory count, which can be changed from here. And the next is the view orders. These are the orders which someone has placed will be available here for the admin. Next is the view stats. Coming to the fraud, first one is the fraud detection. For the fraud detection, we are using the model known as light BGM. The main task of the fraud detection is, suppose multiple persons are keeping the same product order on cash on delivery option nearly same time. It means they want to decrease the quantity and price of that product, which is a fraud basically. So we will be detecting it. And the threshold which we have kept is zero point 0.5. If the probability of the fraud probability is more than zero point 0.5, we will be declare it as a fraud. So these are the statistics of the fraud and the carbon footprint from the manufacturing of the product to the till it reaches to the end user. What is the carbon footprint it has been generated? We are going to optimize it also by using the logistic optimization algorithm. It is similar to the Dijkstra algorithm, and this is the reverse logistics, the products which have been written by the consumers, and this is the agentic AI use case comments which have been given by our customers. Thank you for giving us this opportunity.
As my fellow teammates explained and demonstrated the idea, I just want to add some points to it. We are trying to solve the problem of the customer experience in the retail sector end to end by providing multiple AI agents and AR/VR experience. On the seller side, we are trying to solve this problem by providing a carbon footprint model for the supply chain, which will reduce the carbon emissions and track them in the supply chain process. The other one is a reverse logistics model in the supply seller side, which will try to give a better deal for the user as well as the seller and also make some amount of money for us as an application. Another thing in the seller side is our fraud detection model. It will detect the fraud transactions made by the user and flag them and block them. Apart from these, we are having also something like branding model. Branding model is gonna give the seller insights on how to make his presence better and how to increase his branding and how to focus on that and to in order to increase his target audience and get more sale. One is content generation, that is also for this, how to make the better of our platform and how to use it to get a more audience and make more sales. One more is an analytics model. It will give targeted insights on what type of audience is purchasing and what and how could the seller maximize it. All these modules work together to solve the common problem on the seller side. On top of all these modules, along with the AR and VR experience, in order to ensure transparency on the seller side, which we use, there will sit up AI agent. This AI agent will use all these things to make the experience for the seller more intuitive and seamless. The command for the AI agent will be given in the natural language by the seller, you in the voice or text or sign language format, and the AI agent will implement all these features for the seller. On the user side, what we have is your shopping assistant module and your carbon footprint module. These two modules work in correlation with each other to solve the user experience problem. How do they do it? On the user side, what we do it is the shopping assistant module will make your shopping extremely seamless. You just give a command in terms of voice or text or sign language, it will do that task for you. If you are buying something unproductive, it will suggest you productive alternatives. If you get into that productive alternatives, you'll get some gaming points, you'll get some loyalty points. You use that loyalty points to cash it to buy some other product next time. Even in terms of carbon also, if you're buying some more carbon emission product, it will suggest you less carbon emission product. If you buy that less carbon emission product, you will get the loyalty points which you could cash out next time. This is the way we